Welcome to the future of inflatable boating. Meet the Saturn SD330, your premium 11-foot inflatable dinghy that's redefining value and performance. With state-of-the-art features built into every inch, the SD330 stands head and shoulders above the rest. Constructed of premium 1100 denier German Haytex, PVC, and precision heat-welded seams, this boat offers outstanding durability against tearing, abrasion, and weather. Its drop-stitch, high-pressure air floor delivers rigidity, giving you a firm, stable surface, almost like a solid deck, for standing, casting, or maneuvering with confidence. The boat accommodates up to 5 people and supports up to 15 horsepower short shaft outboard for true performance on water. And because the floor is inflatable, the boat packs down light and compact, ready to load in your car trunk or stow on deck in minutes. But what really sets the Saturn boat SD330 apart is how it is delivered. Not through middlemen, but direct from the factory to you. By bypassing dealership markups and passing on the savings, Boats2Go offers you a best-in-class boat at a fraction of what comparable brands charge. Here's how that works. We at Boats2Go designs, sources, and sells at Saturn boats directly online, eliminating costly dealer networks. Because of that streamlined approach, Saturn boats are offered at exceptional value, often half the MSRP of competing brands. Boats2Go has been doing this since 2006, building its Saturn brand from scratch and earning reputation for innovation, quality, and price transparency. Our mission is to make boating accessible. No gimmicks, no inflated retail margins, just honest value. Imagine owning a boat engineered with premium materials and built with precision, but at a price that doesn't break the bank. That's the promise of the Saturn SD330. Whether you're a sailor needing a reliable tender, a weekend angler chasing quiet coves, or an adventurer just wanting to hit the water, the SD330 delivers. The time is now. Elevate your boating experience directly from factory, directly to you. The Saturn SD330 by Boats2Go. Performance, quality, and value all in one boat.